Mehret Gabriel-Hannes is an IDP from Bahar in western Tigray who is now sheltered in Ma'ale Sawakari IDP camp. She fled her hometown with her 5 children. After heavy shelling bombarded the small town, she says she had to leave all her belongings behind so as to save her children's lives, while trying to escape the violence and eventually make her way to Ma'ale. Mehret says her and her children have witnessed the most horrific atrocities, including the infamous Axum massacre.
We fled our homes when they started to shell the area. We fled empty-handed. We left our cattle and all our belongings behind. We went all the way from Humara to Shura on foot. Afterwards, when I reached Aksum, I saw 60 men get murdered in the hands of Eritrean soldiers, and then I came to Ma'ale.
Mehret says living conditions in the IDP center are below substandard. She says she doesn't know when she'll receive assistance again, not to mention the difficulties of living in a shelter made of plastic during the current rainy season.
When it rains, water leaks through tents. We've all caught several diseases because of this. As for food aid, there's not much of it. We haven't received anything since last month.
Mehret says the conditions have been even more difficult for her because she suffers from diabetes, hypertension, and kidney disease. Lack of medical treatment in addition to food aid has made the situation more difficult for her and her children.
We're unable to get medications. I suffer from diabetes, hypertension, and kidney diseases. As a diabetic patient, I'm not allowed to consume products made out of wheat, but I can't afford to buy theft. Even when my children get amoeba or TB, the clinics just tell me to give them diluted sugar and salt. Healthcare centers are out of medical supplies.
Mehret pleads with the world to do more to help those in Tigray in dire need of assistance by bringing the siege on the region to an end.
Primarily, we need peace and stability, and we also need food, clothes, and beddings, and basic services need to be restored.